Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Cybereason step by step clearly. Begin by researching the cybersecurity landscape to understand current trends and challenges. Identify key players in the industry, focusing on companies that specialize in threat detection and response. Cybereason, a leading cybersecurity firm, should be on your radar due to its innovative solutions. Create an account on a trading platform that offers access to stocks of cybersecurity companies. Ensure the platform is reputable and that it provides extensive analytics and research tools. Deposit funds into your trading account, making sure to choose an amount that aligns with your investment strategy. Once your account is funded, use the search function to locate Cybereason's stock. Review the company's financial performance, paying attention to earnings reports and growth potential. Analyze market trends and note how Cybereason is positioning itself against competitors. Consider the company's recent news, partnerships, and product launches to gauge future performance. After completing your research, decide on your entry point for purchasing shares. Place a buy order for Cybereason stock, specifying the number of shares you wish to acquire. Monitor your investment regularly, keeping track of market conditions and company updates. Consider setting up alerts on your trading platform for significant changes in stock price or news. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy based on market shifts and performance analytics. Educate yourself continuously about cybersecurity trends, as the landscape evolves rapidly. Review your overall investment portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.